Hey everybody, welcome back. It is that time of the month again where we're unboxing our Boxycharm. So let's just get into this. There's been so much hype on this, and if you saw my other videos, you know I have a spoiler video out there for 3 of the products. So we know we're getting an amazing primer, an amazing eyeshadow palette that's like all shimmers or glitters, and we're gonna find out anyway. So it's here. So let's get into this. I just popped this open. I haven't even looked in it yet, guys. I seriously just got home and here it is. So our theme is Rock 2018. If you're interested, I have variation 1. So I know there are multiple variations down there. Oh guys, look, they put this little ingredients card for the Dr. Brandt's Pores No More. I've never gotten one of these in my Boxycharm before, so that's a little crazy. Anyways, I have a fairly nude eye on right now, just a base basically, my crease and transition, so that we can try out some of these shadows while we are together today, and we can try out these face palettes. So let's just get right in here. A couple things I'm not going to try out for you today, but I will in a future video, just to let you know. It's the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Illuminating Primer. This retails at $38, they said, which is great, but I already have my base on and everything today, so I'm going to try this out and let you guys know later how that is. And then the other thing is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil. I already have my brows on. I'm not a big pencil person, so it's going to take me a minute to give you an actual good review on this. We know it's color universal, so it's supposed to work for everyone. I'm kind of mid-range. I'm not super dark, not super light, so we'll see how it goes. That retails at $24. Now, the fun things that we get to play with are going to be, it just fell out of its sleeve, this Glam Metals palette from Crown. Now, as you can see, I have kind of a neutral base. So let's just, let's try with a flat brush here. And here's the palette looks like. We've seen it, y'all. And then we've got this awesome, like, guitar-shaped mirror. You know what? Let's do something, since I'm so neutral today, let's go for this. You know what? Let's just do the damn thing. Let's go for the Wicked. Okay, it's kind of this burgundy shadow, so let's try this. Dry brush. They feel super creamy. This one's kind of dark. Let's see. Y'all, this might be, yeah, we're gonna have to wet the brush on this. So let's do it. We're doing it. Okay. So I've sprayed my brush with some setting spray. And let's just do it. Let's get this in there. Alright. What do you think? Let's blend out those edges a little bit. Okay. This is pretty deep. Actually, when you get the brush wet, it actually goes on really well. I'm gonna say okay. I'm gonna swatch all these for you. So this Pure Face palette, y'all. Okay, so we have the bronzer, highlight, and blush. There are those swatches. They're like Holy Pigmented Batman. Crazy. They're all 3 shimmery. We're gonna go ahead and try them anyway. Sorry, dropping things. We're gonna try them anyway. I don't normally like a shimmery bronzer. We're gonna go in. We're just gonna do a little light hand. I got my little Morphe fluffy brush here. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah. Holy crap. Wow. So, it is definitely shimmery. It's not as shimmery as it looks in the pan, which is good. But it is definitely, I mean, you can see that, and I'm tapping off a lot of the product. Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, there is the bronzer. Let's check out this blush. I'm gonna go super light with my fluffy, I think it's the Moda Pro BMX 130. Also a Boxycharm. Crap. Wow, these are like super pigmented, guys. And the blush is a little bit shimmery as well. With the camera the way it was, so we're gonna try that now. Holy. And this is just a Wet n Wild fan brush, by the way. Oh wow, okay. Alright, well, wow, okay. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you, this is pretty blinding, this highlight. I'm not even mad at it at all. It looks pretty good. Now these on the fingers, I mean, they look really dusty there. Look at that. Look, you see it? Kind of crumbly. They feel so soft and smooth though. And I didn't even dig in, guys. Like, look at that. I didn't even dig into that palette. I just, like, very nicely swatched those. But, so we can see. You see this? You see that amount of... It's kind of dusty when you do that. Keep that in mind. Okay, we're back. I had to kind of clean myself off there. Now let's take a look at this lip product. Girl Lactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint in shade Demure. They are saying this retails for $32. That's what I have on. Not really my shade. But, and I think we got another one pretty close to the shade before last year, but it did not dry down well at all. It was sticky, and this isn't sticky. Completely transfer proof. It does need a lip liner, and I didn't put one on. Y'all, I was lazy. I didn't put one on. I just wanted to see what the color looked like. But it doesn't transfer. I guess I could probably work. I mean, let's be real now. We can work with any color, right? As long as it's not sticky and doesn't transfer. And it smells like cake. Like, it legit smells like cake. It takes me back. It smells like lip smackers. The vanilla lip smackers. That's what it is. So, let's see, guys. What did we get today? We got the Pores No More Illuminating Luminizer Primer. It retails for $38. We got the IT Cosmetics Brow Power, which we're going to try out later. Oh, no, I'm holding it upside down for y'all. Brow Power. We're going to try that out later because I'm not a big pencil fan. I like my powders. So we'll see how it goes. Then we got the Glam Metals palette. Y'all, this palette has been all over. I'm going to tell you. We tried this shade. It's on the lid right now. In the pan, it's kind of a like burgundy brown, like a burgundy red, like a deeper red, like a brown based red on the lid. And now I just used a Morphe flat like packer brush and a little bit of setting spray to get it to stay, but it shows up like a straight shimmery. It's like a brown with some gold fleck in it. So just know that. It might be my skin tone. It might be the look I did underneath that's more emphasizing those brown tones. It did not give me the burgundy that I was hoping for. We're going to go ahead and we're going to swatch these. I will insert that picture here shortly. So look for that. We're going to see, I'll do finger swatches and brush swatches the same way I did for the Huda Beauty palette. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it below. Definitely not same quality, I will tell you that. But this retails for $25, so almost the same as the Huda Beauty palette. You get the same number of shades. These pans are bigger, y'all. They're bigger, but also not a standalone palette. So we're going to play with it. We'll let you know what we think for real later on down the road. But for right now, I love the colors. They look like they finger swatch fairly well. The Pure Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. We just saw my thoughts on that. I think this is going to make awesome eyeshadow, and the highlighter part is fantastic. So as far as the face, probably not on that. I'm not giving it a complete fail because this stuff can have other uses. We're going to play with it some more. Keep watching, see what looks we can come up with. This palette, I'm thinking this is going to be an amazing spring-summer palette. And then the Galactic Lip Paint. Yeah. So here it is, and that retails for $23. I think our total today, if I can math correctly, is $144 for this box that we paid $21 for. If you're interested in the box, if you don't have it, if you had it and you want it again, click the link in the description and get yourself on the waiting list, because I know people generally wait for a month or two before they're kicked over. Sometimes they run some promos so you can get on really quickly, but it's definitely, I think it's worth the money, guys. The boxes aren't always 100% hits, they're not always 100% misses. I would say that there are more hits than misses, and they're totally worth your money if you are a makeup addict like myself. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep watching in the future to see more looks with all of these fun products. And as promised, the ones that I wasn't able to try on for you today, they will be coming soon. I'll do my own individual review videos for those products. Thank you. Make sure you click the like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this palette. Are you going to sign up? Are you going to unsubscribe from the box? Let me know. I think I just said palette when I meant box. You know what I mean, y'all. You know what I mean. You know what you're here for. You know what you just seen. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you, and have a great